Hi guys, welcome back. And it's been long I didn't do any videos. That's correct. And also today I bought a new camera, which is I'm doing a video right now. And you can see the door and the shelves are like almost around. This camera setting is that. It's an action camera. It's very cool. I like the color of it. And also, this is the box. Wait, let me show you. Oh my god. Alright, this is the box. This is the camera. You can see this. This is the camera. So that is what I'm doing a video right now. Also, now I'm doing my exam, which is my final exam, until I go to 4, because after this exam, if I pass, I'll go to class 4. So I'm really excited for the results, and I'm really excited to join in class 4. Alright, so I have one more exam left, so then I can do like constant videos, because and my exam, and this is the final exam, so there's a lot of things I have to study. So I didn't get time to do videos. Alright, so there's a lot of things in this, but we like took it out. And it's completely empty. There's a lot of things. There's even a bag. Wait, can you give me the bag? Nice. Alright, this is the bag where we like put the camera for safety. It's silver color. I like the color. It's like almost purple, so it's love. Also, I do have my class, which is my art and craft class. I am really excited to do it because my miss told me that if you want, you can join the art and craft class in the exam. After the exam, there is a class at 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna join it a little after. So I got some time for this, so I thought to do a video. Anyways, you can also like set like network here. Here it shows all the options what you can do. 4K video and also a lot. And there's a Wi-Fi you see. Alright, so I'm gonna do another video in someday after my exam. I have one more exam left, then I'll start doing videos constant with this camera. Okay, so bye, assalamu alaikum.